Hello fellow classmates. I'm making a video, as you can see. And I'm making this about Scratch, for anyone that's interested in it. Cause, I don't know, I just wanted to show some information, show off some scripts. So, this is basically some scripts, cause if you want, for making an sort of adventure game. So if we go over here, backdrops, I'll just make an extra backdrop, duplicate. This will be a white backdrop. Yeah, great. Wait, no dot. Okay, so I'm gonna show off the scripts. And my sprites, this costume is the wrong costume. Okay, there we go. So, now, what we got here is in order to do this script here, you're gonna need to make a variable. So that's on data. And you can just name that jump. And what I did, so I said hide variable jump, or else it will show up in the corner over here. So I said hide variable jump at when the game starts, which is the green flag. Then it goes on this loop of whenever you click space, it will move up, so change the y coordinates by +10 and go up. And then what happens is to go down, it says change jump by -1 y coordinates until touching this color. But I don't have this on this backdrop. In fact, I should load one. Backdrops. Yeah, let's just load this. Lava. So as you can see, this is the same color that we have here. This color is this color right here. So basically it will if I put this here, wait, yeah, if I turn this on, then basically it will go up a certain amount of spaces, and then it will go back down until it starts touching that color again. So as you can see in the left corner, I'm jumping now. Then next I have the actions for moving left and right. So it says when clicking the right arrow, repeat this 20 times, and it says change x coordinates by +10, so that's right. And then it says if touching color black, which would be any walls, change x coordinates by -10. So as you can see, there's a little wall right here, and I can go forward, but I can't go through that wall. And then here it says when game starts, and this isn't for any movement, this is just something I added. It says when game starts, go on a loop of changing the color effect by 1%. So if I click this, you'll see here a little ball will change color. So that's just something I kinda added. I didn't really do that for anything. And I got over here, when game starts, go on a loop forever. If touching this color, change y by +5, so that will keep it from going through the bottom, so it won't fall forever. So if we watch this, as you can see, it sits there now and it doesn't go through the bottom. Then we have if touching color green, so this shade of green up here, we'll go to the next stage and it will go to the start. So if I click this, then basically it's just loaded up and it's ready to go. Then I have here, if touching this color, change y by -3. I mean, if not touching this color, change y by -3. So if it's if it's here, because I had a problem with this earlier, and you walk off, as you can see, you can just like walk off and you'll stay in the air. But if we go over here and we turn this on, you can see now we fall. That's what I wanted to happen. And over here we have if touching red, it'll say go back to the start. So coordinates -222, coordinates -108. So if you click that, we can go over here, we can go into the red and we'll die and go back to the start. And right here it says if we're touching the color brown, change y by positive 10, so we'll go up. And same thing here, except with gray. And last but not least, we say it has this, which is on a loop, and it says if the backdrop name is, so if the name of the backdrop is backdrop 9, then switch to costume bear 3, which is a different costume for this sprite. Then it says go to x coordinates positive 0 and y coordinates negative 70. And so basically, after you get all this stuff programmed in, if you want to program it this way, you can have fun with your game. And yeah. And so basically I made all these stages and I tested each one. They are all possible, but some of them are harder than others. What you can do is you can do the same thing. And basically we have all these different stages. And what I showed earlier with, so when it's touching brown, it will go up. What I have here is brown is like ladders. And you gotta do this across here. If you get it just right, you can go way up here. You can get to the green. It's kind of hard sometimes. There we go. And then this is my last level I made for this. So it's just kind of end level. And so basically, if you get this just right, and it's kind of hard, but I'm going to be fixing that shortly. There we go. It will take you up to the top, and it will show you the end. And I named this game the acronym TGTBAG, the game to beat all games, because, you know, yeah. Then I have, hope you had a fun time playing this game. This game was made by Conveyor Belt Studios, my username. And here we have this. And this is the same thing as, if we click on it over here, it's the same thing as this little guy that we had earlier, except where we had our scripts here. Wait, right up here. Where is it? Right here. No, wrong. It's up here. No, it's down here. I got this, 'cause I know stuff. Yeah, if backdrop name equals backdrop 9, switches to costume bear 3. This is costume bear 3, and it's like a conveyor belt. So yeah, that's about it. And you can just do fun stuff like this. You should definitely go check out Scratch. What I have right now is I have Scratch 2 offline editor, which is just like a second version of the Scratch offline editor. And you need Adobe Air to download that, but I recommend you get it because you don't need Wi-Fi for that. And yeah, so yeah, go to Scratch, have some fun. Goodbye.